Hey everyone, I know this is the moment you've been waiting for. So let me walk you through some quick steps on how to use your Bunafr Roaster to roast your coffee to the way you like it. Just plug it in. As soon as you plug it in, you will hear a fan noise. That indicates that the machine is on. The other way to understand that the machine is on is also looking at the display. Number two, make sure the shaft collector is in place. You can only install from right to left. Number three, this is the storage jar. Make sure this container is always in place. Finally, if you are wanting a smoke suppression feature, we highly recommend use the smoke filter. To install it, you have to make sure this hook or the bail is facing up. Just hold like this, place it in, push it until you hear that clicking sound. To complete installing the smoke filter, all you have to do is place the smoke lid. You see these two notches. Just make sure they're going straight into that slots and rotate it clockwise. That's it. Now your roaster is ready to roast. Connect the app with the roaster. Yes, display is on. You connect it. Once that's done, there are two different modes. Custom roast and start roasting is essentially an auto roast. So let's say start roasting. Scan the QR code. Now it asks like, how do you want to roast your coffee? Sal Benedito. Like I pick automatic roast. Let's say we do medium. Start. Let me go ahead and add the coffee beans into the hopper while the machine is preheating. You could do this anytime while the machine preheats. Make sure you don't overfill it. Once the temperature inside reaches a particular bean temperature that's programmed for this coffee at this roast level, the beans will drop into the roast chamber. There you go, that drops the beans. And while the coffee is getting roasted, the shaft gets collected from here and goes into the shaft collector. You see it's nice and clean and empty. At the end of the roasting, you'll see it filled with the coffee skin. Number one, you have to change the filter depending upon your roasting pattern. Number two, after every roast, we recommend you clean the shaft collector. There's a button here, click on it and open this. You could also rinse this whole thing in the sink. We don't recommend putting it in the dishwasher. And when you put this shaft collector back in, you should hear a nice clicking noise, which means it's in place. Now it's connecting to the machine. So once it's done, simply open the hopper door. If you want to clean something more sticky, use the short one. If you want to get into like deeper edges, use the long one. Thank you everyone for watching and roasting with us. Let's get you the best cup of coffee every single day. Thank you.